40. Question number first. If Raina deposits 1500 rupees in the school fund at 9 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount she will get? First we will write what is given in the question. P is given. P is equal to 1500. R is given. R is equal to 9 and T is given 2 years. And what you have to find? Total amount she will get. And you have to find total amount. All of you know the formula of amount is equal to amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is given and from the given data we will find the interest. After finding the interest, we will add the principal and interest, then we will get the total amount. First of all, we will find the interest. I is equal to P into R into T upon 100. This is the formula of interest. Now, put the given values in the formula. What is the value of P? 1500 into R is 9 and T is 2 upon 100. Now see, these two zeros and these two zeros will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? 15 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2. 9 2s are 18, means 15 multiplied by 80. Now 15 multiplied by 18, multiplication is 270. Now here we will get the value of I. You have to put the value of I in this formula. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is how much? 1500 plus I. This is the value of I. I is equal to 270. Now 1500 plus 270. The addition is 1770. Means what is your answer? Raina will get 1770 rupees from the bank. Question. Jethalal took a housing loan of 2,50,000 rupees from a bank at 10 PCPA for 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay and the total amount he returned to the bank? Now see here what is given? 2,50,000 means this is the value of P. P is given 2,50,000. R is given 10 and T is given 5 years. And you have to find what is the yearly interest. Means I for per year and find the total amount he will return to the bank. Means you have to find the A and I for per year. Now see, this is given. P is equal to 2,50,000, R is equal to 10, T is equal to 5. You have to find I for per year and A. Now first we will find I for per year. This is our formula. I is equal to R into P into R into T upon 100. Now put the given values in the formula. Here we are taking T for 1. Why 1? For 1 year. We are finding the value for 1 year. That's why I will take the value of T is 1. Now see. This 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? 25,000. This is the value for I per year. Now we will find for I for 5 years. Same formula, P into R into. See, without using formula, we will find the value for 5 years. Now write here total interest for 5 years. Now see, this is our interest for 25,000 rupees, interest for 1 year. Now find the interest for 5 years, means 5 multiplied by 25,000. 25 5s are 125 and these 3 0 as it is. Means 1,25,000 is the total interest for 5 years. Now find amount. P plus I. What is the value of P? 2,50,000 plus I 1,25,000. Means their addition is 3,75,000. Means therefore the yearly interest is, write down here, therefore the yearly interest is 25,000 and he returned 3,75,000 rupees to the bank. Shrikant deposited 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at 7 PCPA in a saving bank account. What is the total interest he received at the end of the period? Now see what is given. Value of P 85,000 rupees, T 2.5 years and R. Value of R is given 7. P is equal to 85,000, R is equal to 7 and T is equal to 2.5. Now see this 2.5, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2. You take 5 upon 2 or 2.5. You can take any value. This is our formula, P into R into T upon 100. Now put the given values. P is equal to 85,000 multiplied by R 7 multiplied by T 5 upon 2 divided by 100. Now you can divide for 85,000 with 2. See here, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Now here 1, 2 5s are 10 and these 2 0 as it is, means 500 multiplied by 7 multiplied by this 5 upon 100. This 2 0 and this 2 0 will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? 425 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5. 425 multiplied by 7 5s are 35 and 425 multiplied by 35. Answer is 1,04,875. This is the value of I, total interest. Means he received rupees at the end of the period. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same period of interest for the same period? Now see, in this question what is given? P is given, P is 5,000, T is given, time is 4 years, and I is given 1,200 rupees, and you have to find the value of R. 5,000, T is equal to 4, I is equal to 1,200, and you find the value of R. This is our formula. Simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. Now put the value in the formulas. I is given 1,200 rupees. 1,200 is equal to 5,000 multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. Now first we will find the value of R. This 2 0 and this 2 0 will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? 1,200 is equal to 50 multiplied by R multiplied by 4. Means 1,200. Now this 50 and R is multiplied. Opposite to equal to sign, they are get divided. Means 50 multiplied by 4 is equal to R. Again this 0 will get cancelled. Means what is remaining? 120 upon 5 4s are 20 is equal to R. Again this 0 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Means the value of R is equal to 6. This is our, we will get R. Now the value of R we will place in this formula. Again I is equal to PRT upon 100. Now the value of P we will get 15,000. See, what is our second question? What would be the interest on 50,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? Means here the value of P is 15,000. Means 15,000 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 upon 100. This 2 0 and this 2 0 will get cancelled. Means what is remaining? 150 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. Their multiplication is 3,600. This is a value of I. If Pankaj deposited 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount he will get from the bank? Now see, which is the value of this 1,50,000 means This is P. This is R, rate of interest. And for 2 years, means 2 is a T. And you have to find, first you have to find the I, and after that find the total amount. Total amount means P plus I. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See, P is equal to 1,50,000, R is equal to 10, T is equal to 2. Find the value of A. This is our formula. Simple interest is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. Now put the given values in the formula. Now see, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 will get cancelled. Now what is remaining? Multiply by 2. Means 30,000. This is our I. You have to find the value of A. A means amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal is 1,50,000 plus interest is 30,000, means 1,50,000 plus 30,000 is 1,80,000 rupees. Therefore, Pankaj will get 1,80,000 rupees from the bank. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.